Hi everybody, this is a recording to help you understand page 7. This is the second page that we'll use in Standard of Excellence, and right now I am showing you the flute music so that I can help out my friend Elsa. Shout out to Elsa. And I'll also talk about the notes that it will be for the other instruments. What's really interesting is we don't all play the same notes so that we can sound the same at the same time. I know that's confusing. I'll explain that more in the future. So the very first new thing, you're always going to see the new things up at the top of the page in yellow, like I'm kind of showing you with the cursor right now. We're going to talk about half notes and half rests in a minute. The first new thing I'd like to show you is the breath mark. And a breath mark really just is as simple as take a breath. Looks kind of like a comma or an apostrophe, and that shows you to take a breath right there. So song 8, the first two notes happen to be D for flute. There's C for trumpet and clarinet. They are A for horn, they are D for anybody in the low brass, and they're B for saxophone. And I'm sorry, they're D for bells as well. What we're going to do is play these two notes and just take a quick breath in between like this. And that's all that we do for that. I would love to try the first song together. Flute-wise, we're reading D's, C's, and B flats. Let's give this a try. 1, 2, ready, go. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. And that is what the breath mark sounds like. On songs 9 and 10, you're going to notice that while you're breathing, you're going to switch your fingers between your notes. This is a great place to use my motto, read, finger, play. Read through the notes once, finger practice, or kind of hover with your bell mallets, and then play the song. All right? Now, please notice what looks different between a whole note and a half note. Did you say that the half note has a line pointing down? You're absolutely right. For some instruments, you're going to see the line pointing up. There isn't a difference. They're both half notes. They both last for 2 counts. Our half rest also lasts for 2 counts. So here, if I look at the first 3 notes of half the price, it happens to be D for flute. I'm going to try playing those. You're going to hear 2 of my clicks per note. 1, 2, here I go. 2 clicks per note, and then I would wait for 2 and then move on to the next note. And you're going to notice also this is a great place to try your 2-2 tonguing that we talked about a few weeks ago. Start spitting out the notes with your tongue really helps them click into place. Cardiff by the Sea, we're using our same first 3 notes that we've learned. I like to practice this one in sections. Oops, it's only giving me 1 box. So I like to practice the first 3 notes, then move to the next 3, then the next, and then the last. And I'm going to get rid of that box now. So I practice those on their own, read them, finger them, play them, and then put the whole song together. Okay? 2 for the show is a duet. If your last name starts with the letter, any letter between A and L, I'd like to have you play line A for this. If it's M through Z, I'd like you to play line B. Okay, and if you're not sure what I mean by that, ask me. I check the Google Classroom. And you may skip number 14. I'm very whatever about this song. Okay, and I feel like 6 songs is pretty good to practice for a week. If you have any questions, make sure that you let me know what they are. And basically, if you read the song, finger the song, and play the song, you're going to have a lot of success with it. Okay, thank you for watching.